Hello everyone! Today we will share with you the story of electromechanical era of computers. Isa ito sa napaka-importanteng panahon dahil ito ang naging tulay mula sa mechanical machines patungo sa modern electronic computers.
Nangyari ang electromechanical era noong 1930s hanggang 1940s. Dito nagsimula ang paggamit ng electrical switches kasama ng mechanical parts para makagawa ng mas mabilis na calculating machines.
SROC is a world-class organization where we manufacture cement for all types of industry. We're the 5th largest producer of cement in the world. The investment that Italcementi Group is put in West Virginia through SROC is a $650 million capital improvement project, in which is the largest capital improvement project in the history of the state of West Virginia. SROC is a state-of-the-art facility, and with that state-of-the-art facility you need skilled laborers and skilled tradesmen that can actually function in the atmosphere that was provided with the new upgrade. That's where James Rumsey comes into play. They provide us with skilled labor. We need employees that can hit the ground running, that have already been trained in these top technologies where they can come in, they can perform, and that's what we get from James Rumsey, a top quality student that can perform in this type of an environment.
It really prepared me for my day-to-day life compared to just setting myself up for a career. There's a lot of life lessons that I've learned going through James Rumsey that I didn't expect to have. It's definitely worth it. I think blue collar is where it's at. I know a lot of people that go to 4-year colleges and then they graduate and they come to me asking, what I do to get here.
The one thing that we like about James Rumsey is the technical skills that they learn while they're in school. They can apply it here from day one when they're on the job. Having James Rumsey in our backyard is a great resource to have, not only for SROC, but for other industry within this region. And that's why we value the education that's being provided by James Rumsey and their students who have become employees for SROC.
So ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng electromechanical? Simple lang, ito yung machines na gumagamit ng both electricity at moving mechanical parts. Mas mabilis ito kaysa sa purely mechanical devices pero hindi pa kasing bilis ng fully electronic computers.
Importante talaga ang panahon ito dahil ito ang nag-prepare para sa unang electronic computers pagkatapos ng World War II.
Let's talk about some major invention ng panahon na ito.
Una, ang Zeus Z3 computer na ginawa ni Conrad Zuse noong 1941. Ito ang kinilala bilang unang programmable digital computer. Gumamit ito ng telephone switching equipment at kaya nitong gumawa ng totoong calculations.
Pangalawa, ang Harvard Mark I ginawa noong 1944 ni Howard Aiken with support from IBM. Sobrang laki nito, 50 feet long. Ginamit ito ng US Navy para sa math problems noong war.
Pangatlo, ang relay-based calculators. Ang relays ay parang maliliit na electric switches. Ito ang naging susi bago dumating ang vacuum tubes.
Isa pa ay ang Atanasov Berry Computer, ABC, na dinisenyo ni John Atanasov at Clifford Berry. Ito ang unang computer na gumamit ng binary numbers at naghiwalay ng memory at computation.
So, ang mga key people na dapat tandaan ay sina Conrad Zuse, gumawa ng Z3, si Howard Aiken with IBM, gumawa ng Harvard Mark, at syempre sina John Atanasov at Clifford Berry para sa ABC.
At huwag kalimutan ang isang IBM, unang big component sa nag-invest ng computer development noong era na ito.
Kita mo naman, sobrang laki ng mga machines na to. Punong-puno ng gears, ng wires at switches. Halos nasakop na nila ang buong room.
So in summary, ang electromechanical era noong 1930s to 1940s ay isang turning point. Ang machines noon ay pinagsama ang electricity at mechanics para mag-process ng information ng mas mabilis.
Dito nagsimula ang Zeus Z3, Harvard Mark I at ABC. Dahil sa work ni Zeus, Aiken, Berry, at Atanasov. Dumating ang mas advanced na electronic computers na siyang ginagamit natin ngayon.
Salamat sa pakikinig sa discussion namin. Sana mas na-appreciate ninyo ang history ng electromechanical era.